Welcome to ZK Bright. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Athens is the capital of which country? A. Italy, B. China, C. Germany, D. Greece. Correct answer is option D. Greece. Capital of Bhutan is A. Oslo, B. Thimphu, C. Dublin, D. Beijing. Correct answer is option B. Thimphu. Paris is the capital of which country? A. Mexico, B. France, C. Germany, D. Switzerland. The correct answer is option B. France. Capital of Bangladesh is A. Kathmandu, B. Islamabad, C. Dhaka, D. New Delhi. Correct answer is C. Dhaka. Capital of Egypt is A. Bamako, B. Cairo, C. Monaco, D. Maputo. Answer is B. Cairo. Capital of Australia is A. Canberra, B. Cairo, C. Kingston, D. Athens. Answer is Canberra. Kabul is the capital of which country? A. Albania, B. Afghanistan, C. Andorra, D. Angola. Answer is B. Afghanistan. What is the capital of China? A. Beijing, B. Paris, C. Tokyo, D. Rome. Answer is A. Beijing. What is the capital of Brazil? A. Brasilia, B. Baku, C. Baghdad, D. Wellington. Answer is A. Brasilia. Bahrain is the capital of which country? A. Germany, B. Italy, C. Greece, D. Thailand. Answer is A. Germany. Capital of Iran is A. Baku, B. Bern, C. Nicosia, D. Tehran. Answer is D. Tehran. Rome is the capital of which country? A. Italy, B. Japan, C. Germany, D. Greece. Answer is A. Italy. Baghdad is the capital city of which country? A. Iraq, B. Iran, C. England, D. India. Answer is A. Iraq. Tokyo is the capital of which country? A. Germany, B. China, C. Italy, D. Japan. Answer is D. Japan. Capital of Maldives is A. Mal, B. Mexico, C. Madrid, D. Malabo. Answer is A. Mal. Capital of Myanmar is A. Pindaya, B. Moscow, C. Naypyidaw, D. Madrid. Answer is C. Naypyidaw. Kathmandu is the capital of which country? A. Bhutan, B. Nepal, C. Bangladesh, D. Meziro. Answer is B. Nepal. Capital of New Zealand is A. Washington DC, B. Hamilton, C. Picton, D. Wellington. Answer is D. Wellington. Capital of Pakistan is Karachi, Baghdad, Malabo, Islamabad. Answer is D. Islamabad. Moscow is the capital of which country? A. Russia, B. Palestine, C. South Africa, D. North Korea. Answer is A. Russia. Capital of Saudi Arab is A. Riyadh, B. Makkah, C. Tabuk, D. Medina. Answer is A. Riyadh. Bern is the capital of which country? A. Netherlands, B. Switzerland, C. Sweden, D. South Korea. Answer is B. Switzerland. Capital of Thailand is Zambia City, Nuuk, Bangkok, Riyadh. Answer is C. Bangkok. Capital of United Arab Emirates is A. Port Vila, B. Dubai, C. Abu Dhabi, D. Honduras. Answer is C. Abu Dhabi. What is the capital of Peru? A. Quito, B. Lima, C. Honiara, D. Majuro. Answer is B. Lima. What is the capital of Greenland? A. Bangkok, B. Nuuk, C. Windhoek, D. Riyadh. Answer is B. Nuuk. Which of the following city is capital of United Kingdom? A. London, B. Paris, C. New York, D. Dubai. Answer is A. London. Capital of Ukraine is A. Vaduz, B. Odessa, C. Kingston, D. Kyiv. Answer is D. Kyiv. Singapore is the capital of which country? A. Malaysia, B. Bangkok, C. Dubai, D. Singapore. Answer is D. Singapore. Capital of United States of America is A. Chicago, B. San Francisco, C. Hamilton, D. Washington DC. Answer is D. Washington DC. Capital of Sweden is A. Santiago, B. Warsaw, C. Gothenburg, D. Stockholm. Answer is D. Stockholm. What is the capital of Spain? A. Madrid, B. Frankfurt, C. Colombo, D. Santiago. Answer is A. Madrid. Capital of Costa Rica is A. Sofia, B. Seoul, C. San Jose, D. Suba. Correct answer is C. San Jose. Capital of Indonesia is A. Odessa, B. Abuja, C. Jakarta, D. Kathmandu. Answer is C. Jakarta. Capital of Israel is A. Baghdad, B. Jerusalem, C. Madrid, D. Tehran. Answer is B. Jerusalem. Capital of Jamaica is A. Kigali, B. Khartoum, C. Kabul, D. Kingston. Correct answer is D. Kingston. What is the capital of Norway? A. Dodoma, B. Comoros, C. Oslo, D. Suva. Answer is C. Oslo. Capital of Zimbabwe is A. Naypyidaw, B. Mannar, C. Port Vila, D. Harare. Answer is D. Harare. Capital of Vietnam is A. Honduras, B. Hanoi, C. Moscow, D. Zambia City. Answer is B. Hanoi. Capital of Portugal is A. Lisbon, B. Phineas, C. Chisinau, D. Beirut. Answer is A. Lisbon. Capital of Finland is A. San Jose, B. Helsinki, C. Havana, D. Harare. Correct answer is B. Helsinki.